When the country is talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat, here is a wonderful concept respecting Go Mata, Atmanirbhar Gaushala.
Hi, I am Gurunandan Hebbash from Sridhama Gaushala, working on boosting cow dung economy for Desi cow breeds. Cattle have been the heritage and backbone of India since ancient times. We had over 120 varieties of native cattle breeds, which have now reduced to less than 50. Desi Bulls, which are integral part of agriculture, are now replaced by machinery. So there is no much use of bulls anymore, and male calves are abandoned in just few days. Coming to cows, most of the low milking native breeds are on the verge of extinction. They are replaced by high milking hybrid and foreign breeds. Desi breeds are a blessing to mankind and Mother Earth, truly Gomata. The Suryaketu Nadi on its hump, unique to Desi breeds, harvests the solar energy to make the urine, milk and dung medicinal. Desi breeds are disease resistant, doesn't need special food and demand low budget maintenance, a boon to farmers. But the irony is we have forgotten this and we are reinventing the wheel and learning about our Desi breeds from other countries. Thanks to several NGOs and individuals who are doing their bit in protecting these endangered Desi breeds by developing several cow dung and urine based products, which are handmade at small scales. But this is not financially self-sustainable. While the milk production varies, cow dung is generated in a very large quantity. All it needs is a mass production model for the full utilization and revenue generation. To cater to it, we developed machines and manufacturing process for large scale production of cow dung products. The other challenge we have is that Gaushalas are not confident in migrating to large scale production due to a lack of skills in marketing, sales, branding and business development. So this led us to big realization that we need to become a nationwide brand supporting native breed Gaushalas in production, marketing, sales and cow dung products. We are launching our brand with herbal incense products initially, for which we have already developed mass production machines and manufacturing process. At a later stage, we will launch several high demand products like large wall arts, interior decorative items and heat insulation constructive materials, which are currently under development. Incense industries, why this? Incense industry is deeply rooted in India and almost every household is a daily consumer. Recently, there have been growing awareness about the fact that incenses use synthetic chemicals in its making, which releases toxic fumes dangerous for both health and environment. What is the solution for this? Due to this, there have been growing demand for herbal alternatives among the health conscious customers. Burning herbal cow dung incenses have proven benefits like air disinfection and healing properties. Many countries have already adopted usage of cow dung burning in the form of Agnihotra. Indian incense industry is 8,500 crore market and we are considering 20% of this market as our target customers who are health conscious customers seeking for herbal alternatives. A 5% obtainable market which would be around 85 crores in size. In addition, India exports incense to 150 countries and generates revenue to over 1,000 crore. The net profit margin is 30%, which would not only make Gaushala financially sustainable but profitable as well, which will eventually promote and encourage rearing of native cattle breeds and also provide job for rural women and unemployed youth. I request you to join hands with us in our mission to become a major cattle welfare brand of India and make Desi Gaushala Atmanirbhar. Thank you.
Now, over to the jury members, Dr. Achar, with the first question.
Yeah, your your project, is it on adding value to cow dung or is it on a new invention wherein, inventing a machine wherein you can convert cow dung in the large scale? What is it all about it?
Sir, basically we wanted to convert cow dung into high value product. In the meantime, we found out that there is no specific machine for converting cow dung. So we had to invent this machine. Machinery is basically we are designed specially to use cow dung mixture. We are concentrating on cow dung products which are not sold in market right now.
See, I am a bit confused because as far as innovation is concerned, it is not an innovation because neither you are sure about any machinery, nor you are sure about the business proposition. So what exactly are you planning to do? Is it just a product which you wanted to make and then sell in market? What is it? What is the enterprise which you are looking at? And what is the value to it?
Sir, now presently there are no cow dung products in the market.
There are.
There are many.
There are many.
There are
Yes,
many.
sir, there are many, but it is really like only in online and very specific organic stores. Like, if for example, if you take Mangalore, there are thousands of stores, but you will find cow dung products in only 4 to 5 organic stores, and that too there is very less sales.
Have you thought about what is the financial implications, whether your project will be financially feasible?
We have done financial projection and also calculated how revenues are there and how profits are going on. Based on the present market, we see that there is high demand for cow dung sticks and as well as samrani cups.
No, from where the demand is coming? How would you analyze the demand?
There are requirements, like for example, you can take, if you go to any organic shop for only 20 Dhoop sticks, it is costing like 40 to 50 rupees.
No, I am asking about the cow dung sticks which you say that there is a demand. How did you analyze it?
I analyzed due to the market pricing, like for 20 sticks, it is like 60 rupees. So that shows that how much.
Are you convinced
that the price is more, product is more popular?
Yeah, because even that price, there are a lot of sales, and I have seen many cow dung Gaushalas are selling very good at this price also. They are going out of stock.
I would like to know from you, very nice focus that you are giving on Gaushala and products from the Gaushala. But I would like to hear from you very clearly, be crisp and clear to me, what is so special in your idea? One, anybody can do the incense sticks with the cow dung. Who can stop them? You may do it with a machine, but some people who have 1 or 2 cows, they can just do it and then somebody can aggregate and then sell them. What is special in you? And is there anything very specific that you have done in your machine? Can you explain that to us?
Yes, first thing is we are doing mass production. No one has done this before. Everyone is doing manually. That is very less production, and it is going very high cost. And we are doing it in mass production, so we are getting consistent quality and cost reduction in cost. And there is huge market.
What is the basis for your statement?
Yeah, that's right.
On what basis you are saying that you will still have a scope if many actors come into the market?
Because cow dung market has started just now, and no one has been selling in a better cost.
Can you tell me, do you have any patent for the machine that you have built for creating this mass production of this cow dung products?
We are not patented the machine, but we have trade secret for the manufacturing process.
Can you tell us more about, do you have any sales pipeline maybe which can validate what you're saying?
We did a small pilot advertising. From there we got several orders for our Dhoop sticks and samrani cup.
And this project, I am again asking you, why you are naming as Gaushala? Because your project is to process cow dung and make cow dung products.
Waste to wealth.
Waste to wealth. You are procuring cow dung, from waste you are creating the products.
Yeah, you are saying you are promoting Desi cow. Second, you are saying you are empowering Gaushala. Third, you are saying you are value adding to the cow dung. Which one you are focusing more on?
We have the Gaushala actually. We have 20 cows. We saw that there is very difficult to manage without the milk. We thought we should use the cow dung and generate income so that it will be self-sustainable.
That is what. See,
This
a
led us to
Gaushala cannot
manufacture-
manage only with the milk. We can also manage profitability with the cow dung also.
Yeah.
No, again I am coming, out of 20 cows of your experience, how much income out of 100 rupees comes from milk, how much comes from cow dung?
Presently we are not at all using milk actually. It is only for house purpose. We are only concentrating on the cow dung. So we have 20 cows. We approximately will give 80 to 100 kgs of cow dung per day, and using our machines, one is Dhoop Stick and samrani cup, we can generate revenue of about 14 lakhs and
14 lakhs per?
month.
So 20 cows will give you 14 lakhs cow dung income.
Yes.
So one cow will give you 70,000 rupees cow
Yes,
dung
we
income.
can convert it to 70,000.
Great economy, yeah.
Yeah, it's very interesting to know that we thought milk is the most valuable product of cow, but he was saying that the cow dung is more valuable than milk. Amazing. If it happens, I think all Gaushalas will be empowered. It will definitely create more Gaushalas. I think all should be very happy because it will double the farmers' income also. It gives rural employment also. And it's an ancient wisdom that cow dung has medicinal value. It purifies air also.
We don't mind to invest if it is so lucrative.
Yes, sir. The business is lucrative. Actually, it looks very lucrative, and there is high demand.
I would like to, come in here. Have you done any research studies on this? Are there any research studies indicating that the cow dung of Jersey and HF are not consistent?
Vis-a-vis,
The cow dung of the local breeds is consistent and the quality is very superior. Do we have any supporting
Papers.
studies done?
Authentic reports.
We do not have any authentic reports, but practically, if we go and see, because we have desi cows,
You
and
can't
we have
taste it,
also
no? You can't taste the cow dung, that whether it's desi cow is more tasty than the.
not tasty, sir. The consistency that Jersey cow dung is not consistent. It is very bad smell,
That's what I'm telling.
and if we use that bad smell into agarbatti, it is very difficult to get a good smell. And-
Smell of any dung depends on what the animal feeds on.
yeah.
Right? If you look at the feed that's given to the local, these hybrid breeds like HF and Jersey, it is the same food it's given to them. Whereas your desi cows, they go, they browse on several different vegetation. There their richness is because of the variety of food they eat. Whereas in case of your hybrid breeds, they are given the same food every day. Their dung is more consistent than anything else, right?
Input,
Quality
output.
wise, why the desi cow dung is superior is only because it goes around, feeds on different herbs, it enriches the quality of the dung. That you have to say.
It's an amazing idea. As Pradeep has said, but if your facts and figures are correct, it could be an amazing business.
And change the name of the project
Project also.
from Gaushala to.
It is a waste to wealth.
Yeah.
Kind of, and
Gaushala
India,
will not connect
India has a tradition of worshipping
cows.
and it's also called Kamadhenu. Maybe people are not aware that cow dung also can create wealth. An amazing idea. Wish you all the best.
Mr. Hebbar and his co-founder told about the numbers. They manage 20 cows, deshi cows, and their revenue is 14 lakhs through the cow dung. And if the numbers are correct, it's a very interesting proposal. We don't mind to invest in the project.
Subject to
Subject to numbers are
Scalability.
correct and scalability.
Welcome back to Nitte KBL Kaun Banega Udyamapati Contest 2021.
Sir, I also request you to do the honoring to the winners of the AgriTech sector, Mr. Gurunandan Hebbar and team from Atmanirbhar Gaushala.